So hey guys, konnichiwa. So we got the season 2 of Campfire Cooking in Another World, and till now we have around 4 or 5 episodes for this anime series, and they were pretty amazing. I watched all of the episode, and they have a pinch of slice of life and a little bit of action genre and the little bit comedic part as well. But yeah, the overall the season 2 at till now was pretty amazing, and you this is definitely going to be enjoyable to you as well. And I will definitely suggest you to give it a try and let me know how is your experience with the season 2 of this anime series.